Oh, my room isn't hooked up.
Okay, domain and range. So when you're doing them, something like, say, f of x equals half x minus 3, you know that's a line. And so the domain and the range would both be all real numbers. You can write it in interval notation like that. You can just say it's all real numbers. You should know this one's a parabola. So we can talk about where that parabola is. We can look at translation. Remember the parent function is f of x equals x squared. So this means it went 2 to the right and 3 up. So if it's going to go 2 to the right and 3 up, there's your vertex. It's positive. You can just make a little sketch like that. Our vertex is 2, 3. So our domain, again, your domain are what values of x are you using. We can use this whole x-axis. There's no number we can't put in. We can put in, 10. 10 would have a match. Be on the ceiling, but would have a match. A million would have a match. Negative a million would have a match. So our domain here would be all real numbers again. The range is going to be what part of the y-axis we're using. What y's are we going to come out with? And you see the parabola doesn't exist down here. And so it would be anything from 3 on up. So remember, using interval notation, that would be a bracket because we're including the 3. Or you can say all y such that y is greater than or equal to 3. This over here, similar, but it's going to be a square root graph. So again, we're going to, that vertex is 2, 3. It's positive, so that's the basic idea of it. So here the domain is limited. We're just using numbers from 2 up to infinity, or x such that x is greater than or equal to 2. And then your range, what y's are we using? Still 3 to infinity, or y such that y is greater than or equal to 2. So that's domain and range.